Second example is that the radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. If the mass of A is ma, what must be the mass of B so that the value of G on B is half that of its value of A? First we consider there are two planets. In the given information, let the radius of the B is considered as R. Then the radius of A is equal to R by 2 according to the given information. The mass of the A is given, that is nothing but the ma. Mass of the B is not given. To determine the value of the mass of B, but the acceleration due to gravity to the value of the G on A is G. Therefore, the value of the G on B is G by 2. First, we write the given quantity for A and B. For A, the radius of the A, RA is equal to R by 2, because radius of A is half of the radius of B. Let the radius of the B is considered RB is equal to R. Then mass of the A is MA. Mass of A is equal to MA. To determine the value of the mass of the object B or planet B, MB is equal to question mark. Then value of acceleration due to gravity of the planet A is GA is equal to A, and GB is half of the value of the A, that is G by 2. In some period you have studied about the formula of the acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to Gm divided by R square. But it is for A. First you write it is for A and B. GA is equal to Gma divided by the value of the Ma. Mass of Ma is considered, the mass of A is considered as a Ma. Then divide by the value of the R for the A is nothing but the R by 2 bracket square. For B, the value of GB is equal to GMB divided by radius of the B is given as R, it is R square. Then we take its ratio. But we know that the relationship between the GA and GB, GA is equal to A, GB is equal to 9 by 2. Taking the ratio of that equation 1 and equation 2. GA divided by GB is equal to GMA divided by R square divided by 4. Then it is divided by GMB divided by R square. It will get GG get cancel. Then MA divided by R square divided by 4 means multiplied by 4, multiplied by R square divided by MB, where R square get cancelled, but mass of A is MA, mass of B is MB consider, suppose, or also you can take M. But GA upon GB, put up the value of GA upon GB. The value of the GA is considered as a G. That means GA upon GB is equal to 4MA upon MB. It is the value of the GA is G and value of the GB is G by 2. It will get 4MA divided by MB. But to determine the value of the MB is equal to MB is equal to 4MA multiplied by G by 2 and divided by G, where GG get cancel. Then MB is equal to 4MA divided by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. That means the value of the MB is equal to twice times the MA, and this is the final. The mass of the second planet B is twice times the mass of the planet A.